a land of rich culture, vibrant traditions, and breathtaking landscapes. From the majestic Himalayas in the north to the serene beaches in the south, India's diversity promises an unforgettable journey. Explore ancient temples, colorful markets, and savor the flavors of its world-renowned cuisine. Whether you're wandering through bustling cities or tranquil villages, the warmth and hospitality of the people will make you feel right at home. Enjoy your time in India and embrace the adventure that awaits at every turn.